Hi guys, welcome to learn Chinese in easy and funny way. I am Abdurrahman and I am sorry I couldn't share videos for a 1 week because I had some problems with YouTube, so I couldn't share. And I made a playlist and its name is wrong and I used some signs. So because of that I couldn't share, but after this day I will keep sharing 3 or 4 videos every day. So we will learn Chinese fast. Okay, we passed chapter 5 and my plan is in this summer I will finish this first 10 units. Later we will start to prepare for HSQ1 examination. Later HSQ2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like this we will go. Okay. And in this video we learned new structures and new words, so don't worry if you don't understand all of them deeply. In next dialogues and exercises we will practice them again and again so you will understand end of this chapter. Okay, 他是谁 shi to be, we know this, ta he, shui, this is new character, it means who, shui, but it's not shui. You consider that there is e here, wei, shui, but we don't write this, shui. Okay. Ta shi shui, and we know this part and this part also because shui it looks complicated to write, but when you separate this part it's so simple. So we know this part with ta or ni, we wrote it most of times, and here this part is just dot 3 line like this and like this. It's so simple. It's shui, ta shi shui. Who is he? Ta shi shui. Okay. The other sentence, 我介绍一下. Here, 我 means I, 介绍 means introduce, and 一下 means here, let. For example, I know you, you are my friend, and I am walking with another guy, but you don't know him. So when we met on the road, I'm just saying, 我介绍一下. Let me introduce. So later I will start introduce to you his name is Ahmed or Jenny, like this, David. So I introduce you, but my first sentence should be this, 我介绍一下. Later I will start to introduce. Okay, but isha here, let or suddenly we can say, but we will use this words isha in many ways, so you will learn all of them. I will write here, 我介绍介绍一下 E is first tone, but here word is like second tone. Its rules same with bu. After E there is fourth tone. E became second tone, but after E there is first, second, third, or neuter tone. We should read E like fourth tone. Okay, 我 I 介绍 introduce 一下 here let me introduce 我介绍一下 here let's learn the next sentence 你去哪儿 去 means go 哪儿 means where are you going 你去哪儿 here 哪儿你去哪儿 where are you going 哪儿 means where and here na means there. This one is where what happened? Okay, I will write it again. This one is where. So this one is there. So if you say 我你去哪儿 where are you going? 你去哪儿 you are going there. So if you change the tones, the meaning is changing completely. Okay. The next sentence. 张老师在家吗 Here, jia means at in on, or here at home. Jia means home, at home. 张老师 Zhang teacher. Ma makes yes no question. You all know this. So it's the sentence meaning is Mr. Zhang or Zhang teacher at home. I will write here. Zhang 老师在yeah. 家吗？张老师在家吗？张 teacher. God of ma is became here. Is Zhang teacher at Jia home at home? Is Zhang teacher at home? Or is Mr. Zhang at home? Like this. Okay. 我是张老师的学生。Here the it means Zhang teacher's student. Mr. Zhang's student. We will use this the too much. 我是我是张老师老师老师的学生学生我是张老师的学生 I am Zhang teachers or Mr. Zhang's student. I am Mr. Zhang's student. Okay. Here, 请进. 请 means please, or other means is invite. For example, 我请你喝咖啡. I invite you to drink coffee. And it is Chinese culture. If someone invites someone to drink or to eat, who is the invite? He will pay. For example, I invite you to eat, so after we eat, I will pay. So it's Chinese culture. Okay, let's try it here. We already know this part. And like this. Here we have yuan. Jin. 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 Jin means enter. Enter some place. So Jin Jin means please come in. So for example, you came to my home. So we came across and opened the door. So I say to you, Jin Jin, please come in. Like this. Okay guys, I hope you understand what I told. If you don't understand, if there is anything you don't understand, please write on comment section and I will explain it in next videos or in comment as a comment. Okay, see you next video. Thanks for watching.